welcome back to my kitchen. I am putting together a meals of the week, except it's probably meals of 2 weeks because I kept taking up the camera to take clips of all the meals, but I never got a chance to upload a video. So here we are with quiche on offer from our local super value, homemade chips, garlic bread and coleslaw. Here we have pan-fried hake, garlic roasted potatoes, roasted tomatoes, some peas and coleslaw again. And don't forget the lemon. There it is. Looks a little bit better there in that one. Some barbecue sausages from the freezer. Remember that big barbecue bonanza, cooking bonanza that we did back at the end of the summer? Well, here's where it pays off. So it's barbecue sausages, chips, garlic sauce, and coleslaw again. The coleslaw is, where's all this coleslaw coming from? Here's an omelette with garlic bread, little baby potatoes, spring roll, and coleslaw. Here's my speciality, my mince and spuds. Simple, warm, delicious, wholesome family meal. Quick and easy. It's up on my channel if you want to go back and have a look. Kebab, chips, coleslaw. Kebab, chips, coleslaw. This was a takeaway from our local kebab takeaway, which is just down the road. And we had that over 2 nights because they give such massive portions, and the kids had pizza. Here is some homemade, what do you call that thing? Bread machine sourdough bread from Farmhouse on Boom. It's my newest favourite bread, and it's absolutely delicious. And I will eventually put up a video on how I make it. But if you want to check out Farmhouse on Boom, she has it on her channel. Here we have bacon and cabbage. One of my favourites. Not the kids' favourite, but one of mine and my husband's favourites. And it's actually a baked ham from last Christmas. We get a big baked ham at Christmas time and slice it up and put it in the freezer, and you get about 10 or 12 dinners throughout the year with it. Here is carbonara. Actually, it's not. It's tagliatelle. Homemade tagliatelle and tagliatelle carbonara. That's what it's called, isn't it? And it was absolutely delicious. And what have we here? Oh, fish and chips. Homemade chips, homemade battered fish, and I think that was hake actually as well, and some battered mushrooms and homemade onion rings. And there's the famous coleslaw again. Here's some images from a weekend away from the meals we had. So the kids had a starter one night of garlic bread, and they had their famous goujons and chips. We had chowder for our starter, and there it is. It was absolutely delicious. And this was in Hotel Ballina. And then we both had the same dinner. We both had the homemade burger, and it was absolutely fab, massive. Barely able to finish it, but we managed. The next night, we were in Dylan's restaurant in Ballina town, and the kids went for goujons and chips again for a change. We had the most amazing duck cooked 2 ways. There was spring roll and rice and some orange sauce, was it? Can't remember the sauce, but it was absolutely out of this world delicious. Well done, Dylan's. If we're ever in Ballina again, we'll be back. As you can see from all our plates, no, we didn't like that at all. Oh, we devoured every morsel. It was absolutely delicious. And back home this weekend again, of course, and we're just having a mini full Irish for breakfast. We had that this morning. We don't have a fry every weekend, but we decided to have one this morning, and it was delicious. And there's my delicious sourdough bread machine bread with a poached egg and my fabulous salad dressing on top. So I thank you all for joining me again in my kitchen. I hope you've enjoyed these meals. I will talk to you again soon. God bless you all. Hope you're having a wonderful and blessed Advent. Bye.